So today is the day we finally get an autopilot installed on the boat. We decided to go with the Raymarine wheel-mounted one. Our boat had one on it at some point before we bought it, so it should just be pretty much put in place and hook it up and be good to go. But we were really thinking about getting the hydraulic version in a Garmin, but cost prohibitive. Those are quite expensive, so maybe at some point in the future, but for now this should do just fine, and we'll see how it goes. There it is with the wheel taken off. Should be able to reuse the post on the bottom for the drive unit. And the hole on this one is quite a bit bigger than what's needed on the new version. There's no telling how long ago the original auto helmet was put on. But we've got an 8-spoke wheel, so I'm going to have to drill some holes in this bottom piece here to attach the brackets that hook to the wheel, and they actually give you a 1/4-inch bit to do that with in the package. And so we'll work on drilling these holes here, and they have it marked. If you have a 4 or 8-spoke wheel, a 3 or 6-spoke wheel, or a 7-spoke wheel, and it shows you where to drill your holes. So pretty straightforward. Control unit for this autopilot is going to go right in there. This is where the rest of my Garmin network is. But since this is Raymarine, it's slightly different, so it's kind of separate. So this is the control unit here. Teddy's helping me out. What you looking at, Ted? Which wire needs to go where? Huh? So we got to get these hooked in, tighten down. Our new friend Michelle has been working hard and is now ready to hit the water. We look forward to catching up with him in Buki Harbor.
Well, now this is how my day is going today. See these two laying? These two staring at us? Like, what are y'all gonna do? Apparently, we're not doing nothing. We can't go anywhere. That one over there, yeah, just staring at us with the two birds on him. Good gracious. Now, how are we supposed to get anywhere? We got to go provision. Somebody come move your cows.
Should we honk a horn at them?
Yes.
I don't know.
Honk. Yeah, that made no difference. All right, so now we've made it to Walmart.
How'd that happen?
And now we're gonna go inside. So follow us. All right, so much for Walmart. I hate Walmart. I really hate Walmart. Next.
I'm Dixie for beer.
It's kind of cold.
Wrong aisle for what?
Never mind.
Well, today's our turn to splash. So ready to be floating again.
Yeah, it is. Oh, he didn't pull the carpet down. Oh, well.
That's alright.
Will was just saying that James told him they don't have anybody coming in or out tomorrow as far as he knows either. So we could stay.
Stay the night, man.
Yeah.
I can't believe how slow they are.
I know.
It goes to show you what the industry's doing. It's really close.
The riffraff.
That's a good looking boat.
The dragon emblem on there is cool.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, we both have them.
Nice.
Hippies.
Did tattoos first or boat first?
Boat first.
Okay, did that emblem come on there?
No.
No? Would you have it cut out of vinyl or something? Okay, sweet. Very cool. I love it. Sweet. Oh.
Heading to Marathon.
Heck yeah. We're in Key West.
Oh, sweet.
Key West.
Okay, so as you can see, we are back in the water. There's some of the water down there. We're in the channel. We actually, they dropped us in here yesterday and we borrowed an adapter from Ron for the electrical and hooked up and stayed overnight. Today we got everything ready to go. We were getting ready to untie the lines, and our port side engine stopped. turned itself off.
Ran out of,
Huh?
ran out of,
Ran out of fuel.
even though we got a full fuel.
Yes, even though we got full fuel tanks, which we did. There was somebody had called a tanker out here to get fuel. Word to the wise, if you need to do that, do that. Oh my God, we got both fuel tanks completely full for 200 bucks. It would have cost us a lot more.
4 jerry cans.
Huh?
And 4 jerry cans.
Oh, and 4 jerry cans. So, okay. He thinks that the engine's not getting fuel. He thinks the line was clogged. And we talked to a guy named Bob. He did. I didn't. William talked to a guy named Bob here who has a boat that's what it does. It fuels other boats and things, and it has all these lines and stuff. So William got lines to replace the fuel lines, and I've been kind of sitting here working on some stuff. We talked to the guys at the Boatyard. They said they don't have any plans to bring anybody in or out today, or tomorrow. No big hurry to leave, which is good, but we're still here. Hopefully we can get this done really quickly, but it's already noon now, so I'm not real enthused about today. We shall see.
So I think I got it bled. The thing about diesel engines, when it runs out of fuel, it sucks air in and it causes air pockets, and then it can't draw the air back through. So you gotta get in there and loosen fittings and turn the engine and try to get the fuel back in there and get all the air out. So we'll see.
Fingers crossed. It works! It runs! It's loud. Oh. Now we got a mess to clean up. A little bit. All the dive gear has to go back in, and
All the
tools.
we gotta go back in.
and
The one bag of tools you always need is always the one that's on the bottom, no matter how you stack them in there.
yeah. And we'll just stay another night, and you can go to AutoZone and get more fuel on, and
Prepare for the next one.
we'll leave tomorrow. That's all right. I don't mind that. Just as long as everything's good. We're not sunk and we're not stuck somewhere. So life is very good.
That's it. What do you want? Well,